Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl KT, aka Katrina, aka Keona, and we're back for another video. I'm not really an eyeshadow person, so I don't think I'm gonna get too crazy with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using some new products today as well. Some are drugstore, some are not. We'll have those products in the link down below. First, I just want to say if you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna get right into the video. But first, moisturize my face with this Pond moisturizing cream. So I ended up talking over the video for the rest of it because I ended up being on the phone. But the first thing I'm doing, I'm putting on my Power Grip primer. I am using a LA Girl eyeliner pencil. This is not even for eyebrows, but I find if I use a darker, like a really dark shade for my eyebrows, then that just works better for me because the other colors do not show up on my skin. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you. So after I do that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer. This is in the color Toffee. I usually go maybe 2 shades lighter than my actual skin color just to give my eyebrows that effect that I just got them done, like a highlight effect, because I find when I do my actual skin color for my concealer, I only use that if I'm doing like a natural beat or like a natural face, like not wearing any makeup at all. But I am wearing a beat face today, so I feel like I need that, that concealer for this look. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Alright, now I'm going to just go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Red. I use this color for my dark spots. Kind of evens out my tone or whatever, because I have a lot of dark spots up under my eyes, the bridges of my nose for my glasses, and just a couple of other hyperpigmentation or whatever. It gives me an even look up under my foundation. Everything's nice and smooth. I don't have any dark spots up under my foundation. Yes, I can use the concealer that I would use like after I put on my foundation, but just evening out those undertones really does help. I'm not gonna lie, I've been loving the whole using a brush to blend out your concealer thing lately. It's actually nice. I love it because I just used to hate putting a brush on my face with any type of foundation, concealer, or anything unless I'm just blending out my eyebrows. But I don't know, like using that before my actual, beauty blender kind of does help a little bit. But now I'm moving fast. But now I'm using my Too Faced foundation in the color. Do not laugh at me because I do not know how to pronounce this. I think it's called tiramisu or something. Y'all, I'm gonna just put it in the link down below because I don't know how to pronounce that. But I think I'm gonna go, I wouldn't say darker, but a different undertone. It's kind of a little bit too orangey, on the orangey side, but I kind of fixed that during the end or whatever. And now I'm going to go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color, I think this is the Espresso. Yeah, Espresso. I use this and then I go in with a lighter. Not too light, but a lighter concealer after I blend this out, just to give my under eyes that highlighted effect. I want you around and around. Alright, now I'm going to contour my face. Don't ask me what color this is. It is an LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just know it's the darkest shade. The darkest shade is what I use. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher grandma rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. And dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream. Alright, now I'm about to go in with my toffee once again. The one that I use for my eyebrows, I'm going to use up under my eyes, just to give my eyes that highlight effect. Alright, now I'm going to take my Morphe powder in the color Banana. This is my favorite powder. It gives me a smooth finish and it doesn't leave me patchy, if that makes sense. Alright, so also the key to having a flawless smooth finish, press your powder into your face with a damp beauty blender. When you're like, even if you're baking, if you don't want to bake, just press it in and it will literally disappear into your skin and gives you a poreless look. Okay, I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm just using my crayon case palette and just using the darkest shade to just give me some type of, crease. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's that sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 6 times. Okay, now I'm going to just dust everything off with my pressed powder from Ruby Kisses. I'll be putting the colors and the products in the link down below because I really don't remember what I used.
Never been biased. Too many sticks. I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, bustin' went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car.
Alright, now I'm just going to be bronzing my face with this deep to dark palette from Black Radiance. This is my favorite bronzing palette. I use it to contour, highlight, well sometimes highlight, but just mostly to contour and bronze my face.
How fast you go from the boot to a blunt? She say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts. No, that's that sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's that sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 6 times.
Okay, right here I'm just taking my NARS mascara and just going over a few layers of mascara on my eyes. I love a very dramatic mascara look up under my eyes. Well, my lower lashes. I like to put a lot of layers on my lower lashes to give a little extension look on my bottoms. And also it helps my lashes blend better with my real lashes as well. Then after I do that, I'm going to do my lips with my black lipstick and my NYX lipstick as well.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.
Also, spoiler alert, these lashes will be coming up my lash line really soon, so stay tuned for that. I will be opening up my website really soon, so just stay on the lookout for that as well, guys.
On me, I feel like Turkey. Counting back on the clothes I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. And you can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. Cause I only be with dimes. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time. Yeah.
so sad I forgot to do an outro, guys. There was a lot going on this day, but I inserted some pictures and videos of how the whole look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love y'all. Bye.